Hello students, myself V.S. Yadav. Today I am going to teach the chapter 5 complex number and quadratic equation. So student, firstly I am going to remind you the concept of your previous class 10th chapter quadratic equation. Okay. So students, you know the quadratic equation, the equation which can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, that is known as quadratic equation. Clear? And the student in class 10th, you know about the root of quadratic equation. So you have to compare in class 10 कि firstly find the value of discriminant, that is d, b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so we write the root does not exist. And the value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0, root is real and equal. And if the value is greater than 0, then the root is real and unequal. There is an example of quadratic equation. 5x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So firstly we find the value of b square minus 4ac, we get 49. Now that is clear that 49 is greater than 0, means root will be real and unequal. Now second condition, कि 2x square minus 4x plus 8. Here value of v square minus 4ac is minus 48. Minus 48 is less than 0. So in class 10 we have to write here कि root does not exist. Now in class 11 we discussed about this number. Suppose that there is a quadratic equation, find the root. So 5x square plus 20 is equal to 0. 5x square is equal to minus 20. We get x square is equal to minus 4. Now x equal to under root minus 4. Now you know that the square of any real number, positive or negative, is a positive number. Means we can write here minus 4 is not a square of any real number. So we can write it 4 into minus 1. Value is same. Then it will be 2 root minus 1. So in this chapter we will study about this minus 1. We let assume here e minus root minus 1 is equal to iota. The name of this symbol is iota. So we can write it x is equal to 2 iota. Means according to class 10 root does not exist. But in this chapter we study that the root of the x is, a solution of the x is 2 iota. Okay. So this is complex number. Clear? Now I am going to give some more example about the complex number. कि a number of form a plus iota b, where a and b are real number, is defined to be a complex number. मीन्स कोई भी नंबर जो a प्लस आयोटा b के फॉर्म में है तो वह कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 प्लस 3 आयोटा, 2 माइनस रूट 5 आयोटा, 2 प्लस रूट 7 आयोटा, एक्सेट्रा. That are complex number. Now again I am going one example कि let an equation x square minus 1 equal to 0 has no real solution. X square plus 1 equal to 0, then x square is equal to minus 1. X equal to root minus 1. Now as I have told you कि square of every real number is non-negative, means that is positive. So here minus root 1 is not exist. Therefore we take minus root 1 is equal to iota. Minus root 1 is equal to iota. Now squaring both sides, so iota square is equal to minus 1. This is very important in this question, where we have get iota square, at that place we can put up minus 1. Okay. Min is complex number which is right in the form a plus iota b, that is known as complex number. Okay, thank you. In previous video I have told you about complex number, means a number which is in the form of a plus iota b. So a plus iota b, iota is root minus 1. So here a is a real part and b is imaginary part. Means a complex number has two parts. This one a is real part and iota b means b is imaginary part. Means the iota is combined with that part, that is imaginary part. Okay. Now real part denoted by Rez. Suppose z is a complex number, then real part is denoted by Rez and imaginary part is denoted by Imz. For example, let that a complex number z is equal to 3 plus 5 iota. So given here, find the value of real part and imaginary part. So here it is clear that real part means Rez is equal to 3 and imaginary part, तो जिसके साथ आयोटा कंबाइंड है वो जो पार्ट है वो इमेजिनरी पार्ट है. तो हियर इमेजिनरी पार्ट इज 5. क्लियर हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? ओके. नाउ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर z1. Suppose that we have to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the complex number. Okay, so let z1 is a plus iota b and another complex number z2 is equal to c plus iota d. So if a equal to c and b is equal to d, then z1 is equal to z2, means both complex number are equal. If the real part and imaginary part are the two complex number is equal, then the both complex number will be also equal. Now addition of two complex number. So let one complex number z1 is 2 plus 3 iota and second one is 5 plus 7 iota. Now same कि जैसे आप ऐड करते हैं कि लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ अनलाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ, तो यहाँ लाइक टर्म्स मीन्स रियल पार्ट एक साथ ऐड होगा और इमेजिनरी पार्ट एक साथ ऐड होगा. ओके. तो जब आप z1 प्लस z2 यानी दोनों कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को ऐड करेंगे तो रियल पार्ट इज 2 and 5, तो 5 प्लस 2 7 एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट इज 3 आयोटा प्लस 7 आयोटा, तो इट विल बी 10 आयोटा. क्लियर? जैसे आप ऐड करते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कि यदि x है तो x के साथ ऐड होगा, y है तो y के साथ ऐड होगा, मीन्स लाइक टर्म्स कैन बी एडेड एंड सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तो हियर रियल पार्ट विल बी एडेड टुगेदर एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट विल बी एडेड टुगेदर. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ एडिशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर satisfy the following property. As you have studied the property in your previous classes, the closure law, that is the sum of the two complex number is a complex number. यानी यदि कोई भी दो complex number है तो उसका sum भी complex number ही होगा. Okay. Second one is commutative law, that is z1 plus z2 is equal to z2 plus z1. यानी यदि दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को z1 से z2 प्लस करें या z2 प्लस z1 करें, वैल्यू सेम होगी. एसोसिएटिव लॉ, z1 प्लस z2 प्लस z3 इक्वल टू z1 प्लस z2 प्लस z3, दैट विल बी आल्सो इक्वल. फोर्थ वन इज एक्सिस्टेंस ऑफ एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी, मीन्स 0 is added to the any complex number or real number, the number does not change, number is same. So z plus 0 is equal to z. And fifth is the existence of additive inverse, means z plus minus z. You know the additive inverse. The additive inverse of negative is positive and positive is negative. So here is z, तो additive inverse will be minus z. तो z plus minus z is equal to 0. Okay, thank you. Hello students, now I am going to tell you the multiplication of complex number. So let a complex number z1 is equal to a plus iota b and another complex number z2 is equal to c plus iota d. Okay, then any two complex number, then product z1 and z2 is defined as z1 is to z2 equal to a into c minus b into d plus iota into ad plus bc. You can put the formula, this one of the two of the multiplication of two complex number. Now complex number is also multiplication also possess some properties. First is the closure law. Closure law means the product of two complex number is a complex number. यानी यदि कोई दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर होगा. ओके, सेकेंड वन इज कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. मीन्स z1 इंटू z2 is equal to z2 into z1. Product will be same. Associative law, it also follow the associative law. z1 z into z2 into z3 equal to z1 into z2 z3. The existence of multiplicative identity means z into 1 equal to z. In addition, additive identity 0 प्लस करते हैं और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी में मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 करते हैं तो नंबर वो सेम रहता है. एंड एक्सिस्टेंस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, दैट इज z, द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ z इज 1 upon z. तो z मल्टीप्लाई 1 upon z इज इक्वल टू 1, और वी कैन राइट इट z मल्टीप्लाई z टू द पावर माइनस 1. दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स इक्वल टू 1. एंड वन मोर लॉ, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ, यानी z1 इंटू z2 प्लस z3 इक्वल टू z1 z2 प्लस z1 z3 और z1 प्लस z2 इंटू z3 इक्वल टू z1 z3 प्लस z2 z3. Okay, now division of complex number. Given any two complex number z1 and z2, the quotient z1 divided by z2 is defined as by z1 into 1 upon z2. Means when all of you know कि जब इस डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई बनाएंगे तो इट विल बी रिवर्स. ओके, इट विल बी इनवर्स, यानी इट बिकम्स 1 upon z2. तो जब इस डिवाइड है तो डिवाइड को 1 स्टेप आगे बढ़ा देंगे तो इट्स फॉलो द ऑल रूल्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ओके, थैंक यू.